If the first, second, and last term in FAP is given as A, B, and C respectively, then find the sum. So here the first term A is A, and second term is B. So here we have second term minus first term will be your common difference, that will be B minus A. Then the last term is AN is equals to C. They've given last term is C. Therefore you have AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D, AN is C equals A is A itself plus N minus 1, and D is S, that is B minus A. So now if this plus goes other side, becomes C minus A equals N minus 1 into B minus A. So now we want nth term. So N minus 1 will be C by A divided by B by A. So N will be C by A divided by B minus A plus 1. Minus 1 goes other side, become plus 1. So N will be C by A plus cross multiplication, that is LCM, that will be B minus A divided by B minus A. Now simplifying this n, we get n equals C minus A plus B minus A divided by B minus A, that is nothing but n is C plus B minus 2A divided by B minus A. So we want to find nth term. Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus An, last term, first term and last term. So S will be, sum will be n is C plus B minus 2A divided by B minus A into 2 into 2, this 2 into 2 into A is A plus this AN is C. So we can write this as, yes, sum will be equal to A plus C into C plus B minus 2A divided by 2 times of B minus A. So here, which is the option we have? That is A plus C, C plus B minus 2A, 2 into B minus A. That will be your option C will be the answer, correct answer for the given question.